What's up, guys? We are back here with the big dirty Raptor in the bag, man. It's finally time to get this thing cleaned up. I know this is going to be a task, so I want you guys to come with me today. We're not going to be scrubbing this thing. We're going to be hand washing this whole entire truck today, man. So that's going to be a load in itself. But without further ado, man, this thing is looking pretty good. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Let's get right into it now, shall we? Guess we can load up this bucket, man. That thing dirty. Now, if y'all tuned into the last video, man, y'all know we went and got cracking in this thing. Literally never seen this thing this dirty before, but it is all good, man, because it's time to get this scrubbing. We're gonna have to get under here, make sure everything is looking good. The tires are super dirty. Those things are like super brown. We're gonna have to scrub those. Get all under this fender liner and everything here. And then just get this thing all cleaned up, man. It looks horribly dirty, but you know, it does look like I went to Baja or something for a little bit. I'm digging it, man. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, dog. We about to get this thing shined up and ride. Alrighty, man, we have made it to the car wash. This thing is looking dirty, man. I don't know how many more times we'll get it this dirty, but we'll have to get this thing all cleaned up. But it's finally time, man, so I'm gonna set y'all up on a GoPro and we'll get to it, man. We about to get this hand wash in. I know y'all was thinking something different, but we do got this hand wash, man, so let's get it. Alrighty, man, we got this thing somewhat clean so far. It's looking a lot better than it was, that's for sure. We're storing this black beauty. Gotta hit it with some ceramic spray now and get those little watermarks out of it, or out of the paint rather. Probably gonna throw my cover back on there today, but this thing is looking beastie, man. I'm loving it. We gotta take it to the shop today and drop it off and see what's the issue. Because like I said, in two-wheel drive, this thing is great. It doesn't really, nothing really changes. On 4 auto, almost the same thing as two-wheel drives. Feels kind of normal. But when you step on the gas, kind of jerks a little bit in the front. You can like feel it like turning the steering wheel since it's in 4-wheel drive. On 4 high, we hear nothing but like scraping and stuff like that. So I'm thinking this the hub or something up here is not engaging properly rather. So I don't know if it's a vacuum hose or something. I heard something about a vacuum, but then I don't know. We'll see what happens, man. So we got warranty on this thing, man. So let's finish cleaning this thing up, get the inside taken care of, and take it in, man. Woo, we got this thing shined up, looking good. It actually looked blue. It actually looked blue in certain parts, man. But we got this thing back looking like the rap dog, man. Sheesh, this thing is shined up. Shined up to a T, man. I love it when this thing is all cleaned up. Got the floor mats. We got to go vacuum this thing out, but got the floor mats and everything looking good, man. I'm digging it. I am digging it. I love this truck. Just mad we messed it up yesterday, but you know, we'll get it back in, man. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Oh, now that we made it back to the house, man, I guess this will be the perfect time to hop in this vet and go get some stuff taken care of. I mean, we can hop in a truck, but I ain't drove this thing in like 2 weeks, so I think that's what I'm gonna do, man. Let's see. There we go. And we'll just have this thing running for a little minute, man. It ain't been running for a while. Man, got the tops off in the joint. You feel me? Just chilling, man. Driving this junk. This thing is so comfortable, man. I swear to you, I love it. Every time I get it and I have a change of heart, I be like, damn, can't let this one go. About to hit the road, dog. We flying, though. Tops off and all that. Alrighty, man. We got this thing looking that much better. If we take a step back, oh my God, that black is beautiful. Now, this is not from this car. That's actually from that Silverado, still there, fresh and everything. But we did get this thing looking good again, man. So that's always a plus. Always a plus. Just look at the back end on this thing. Them wheels, that armor all, that black. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord Jesus. I'm digging, man. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below, big dog. All right, guys, you guys legit see I have stuff literally everywhere, man. I gotta go buy a shelf. I gotta go buy a desk for my computer. Gotta clean up that side, throw away everything we don't need. We just need to get as much space in here. And then we gotta get this trailer cleaned up and pretty much sold and out the way, because we are getting ready for a new bike or a couple of new bikes. So we'll see what happens there, man. But if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Let's clean this garage up real quick, or at least make it look a little neat, shall we? Alrighty, guys. As many tools as that was in that box, man. We got them all out, lined up. We gotta probably go get like a toolbox or something. I want to get like some shelves or like a shelf to put like right here, so I can just literally save a lot of space. Put that up against that wall. Get all those old parts either sold or out of here. I'm probably gonna put that steering wheel up for sale, and I don't know about the fairing, but we might, being that it is a CVO fairing. So may put that up for sale. As for these tools, you got to find something to put these in, because the box is like, you can't even really see. You don't even really know what you have. Like, even it sitting like this is better than all being in that box, but we'll try to figure out something for it. But let's try to tackle that other side. Alrighty, now that we got that thing sweeped out, cleaned up, man, it's time to organize, reorganize. We got most of the baby stuff that we are definitely not going to use anymore. We threw it away. So we literally just got all her old clothes and stuff that she hasn't even wore yet. So if you guys have a baby and may need some stuff, you know, I can help you out. Just shoot me a message on everythingsregular.com and I'll figure out how to get it to you. Free of charge, of course. You know, I want to help you guys out. It is a little girl's clothes, but you know, being me, I did buy her a bunch of boys' clothes too. So you have that option in there. We have this trailer here. Got to get this thing cleaned up today. But let's just finish really cleaning up this garage. Got to go find a desk, get my computer set up. I haven't had that set up in like months. So it's time to really just get this thing looking like mine, dog. So alrighty guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Man, we got the garage cleaned up for the most part. Gotta go find a desk. I gotta go find like a shelf or something. So it's time to hit OfferUp and see what we can find for cheap. We gotta get this trailer looking good and good to go, man. So with that being said, we'll be tackling that in the next video. Got a few things done today, man. We got the truck that was super dirty cleaned up, man. That thing was horrible. We take that thing into the shop tomorrow morning. So man, stay tuned for that video. As for the vet, that thing was driving lovely. I'm loving it. Stay tuned for that as well. But I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.